the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, I'm going back to the table, I know they saving us up for the stable friend of mine, cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, no, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care, baby. Could be good, then you fade, then you fade away. No, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care, baby. Could be good, then you fade away. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're missing. My feelings in my heart, in my heart. Yeah, that's impressive, how much you're missing. My feelings in my heart. Oh.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Megalook Hair Shop. You Megalook for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the wig that I am rocking is their 30-inch long 13x4 lace frontal 613 blonde straight wig. Now, once again y'all, this unit is in 30 inches. 30, okay, 30 inches. All right, so it's a very, very long unit and it is extremely full. I want to say it's 200% density, but I'm not 100% sure. Check down below in the description box for that, but I think it's 200% density because it's extremely thick. Okay, honey, she's thicker than my baby cousin Ashley, girl. Okay, and it is transparent lace. Like I think that's just like a given with just about every 613 wig. It's just like one of those things you can expect it to be transparent lace. So yeah, I think it's pretty much a given that a 613 is going to have transparent lace. It's just kind of a thing. And so as you guys can see, it did melt effortlessly. Now you do see those little wrinkles here because honey, I be struggling with the Megalook units. Like I love Megalook, but their wigs are typically just too big for me, like, and I have to cut off a lot of lace. I don't know if you guys well, I'm pretty sure you should have seen the part, or I'll insert it here, where I show like how much I actually had to cut off, and it is a lot, and it still just kind of is a little wrinkly and big, but that's all right, honey, because it's on the side that can't nobody see, so I don't care about it. I just want to let you guys know. Now this unit did come pre-tweezed. Obviously I didn't have to bleach any knots or anything like that with a I've never bleached knots on a 613 wig, probably never will, girl. Okay. I have seen some people do it. Have I done it? I don't remember doing it. If y'all remember me doing it, let me know, but I don't remember bleaching knots on a 613 wig. I don't feel like it's necessary, but I mean, honey, do you? It's your wig. You can do what you want to do with your hair, girl, okay? As far as shedding and tangling, it did shed some. It is a 613 wig, and I did expect it to shed some because that's just kind of like a given for me with 613. It's just a color that I just associate with shedding. So I expected it to shed. Yeah, but it didn't tangle at all. I didn't expect it to, honey. It's a straight wig. So yeah, as far as it being big head friendly, it's extremely big head friendly. As I stated before, I think their units, their caps just run big. So if you have a hard time, you have a larger head and you have a hard time finding the unit or whatever, I would recommend checking out Megalook. Like, their units are perfect for my wilder head girls, okay? But if you have a smaller head, then you're gonna have to, you know, tweak it some, which is fine. I just like to throw all the details out there. Now I am an average cap size, so once again, I only have the headers on my show, so girl, do whatever you want to do with it. Okay, girl? Do whatever you want to do with it. Now, if you're interested in my pros and cons, as well as a full 360 and a lint check, then please continue to watch. All right, y'all, so we're gonna start with the cons, because you guys know I like to end on a high note. And if you know me, then you already know the con. You already know it. My con is going to be there's a 13x4, and I really don't particularly like 13x4s when it comes to 613 wigs, because the wefts are also really light and they typically show. Now I hope they ain't showing, but they may be showing, because that's like one of the things. So that is going to be my con for this unit. Yeah. Now, as far as the pros, honestly, I love this color. Now, I love this color, but it's a very bold color, and it's a color that I can't wear without makeup. But with makeup, honey, I loves it. Okay, girl. I also love 613s because they're easy to tone and bleach or whatever and make, you know, however you want it to be. So I have plans for this unit, honey. Okay, I'm thinking about adding a little pink, little peekaboo pink in this. That is the plan. But anyways, I love the color. I love that I didn't have to tweeze it or bleach it or none of the things. I also love the length, and I love the density of this wig. It is extremely thick. I don't think I've ever had a 613 wig this thick. So those are my pros with this unit. Yes, I would recommend this wig, especially if you're somebody that's looking for something bold for spring or bold for summer or whatever, honey. You can't go wrong with a good 613, girl. Okay, so if that's what you're looking for, then honey, definitely cop you one. Yes, I would personally recommend this wig. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 and lint check so we can wrap this thing all the way up. Let me scoot up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. If you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out you Megalook Hair for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not costing not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm not to miss on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I'll see you guys next time.